Hello, I'm Richard from Made by the Forge, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put up a curtain pole that needs to fit inside a recess. Now, a recess is where you haven't got any room outside of the window opening, so no room for finials. You're going to need some special brackets like this, and I'm going to show you how to put the pole up. You'll need a few tools. Let me show you. Okay, so what we've got here is we've got the two brackets I just showed you and the pole. You might need some of these fixings, depends what you're drilling into. We certainly will. We're going into brick, the screws. You'll need a pencil to mark where the holes are going, and you'll need to measure with a tape measure, and then you'll need the screwdriver. A good idea is to have a spirit level, and then you'll need the drill, obviously, to drill the holes. So I'll talk you through it. It's all quite simple. So we're going to start with putting one bracket up on the first side. So let's mark and measure where we want our first hole to be. So that's about where I can get it to. So I'll just mark the top hole, and we can then drill that and put that in. That's the first screw, and then I'll check it for level. And then I can mark the second hole. So I know my height of my bracket now. I just need to make sure that it's the right distance off the wall. So I'm going to copy what it was the other side. Right there. So I can now drill that hole. And that's the bottom hole. So I'll fit the raw plug. So both your brackets are on the wall. It's time to lift your pole with the rings into place. And there we go, all done. Well, I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.